we are excited to introduce the Enless Lora Modbus Master Transmitter. This video will provide you with more information regarding the TX Modbus features and use cases. Let's dive in. The Modbus Master Transmitter offers various possibilities to integrators. Energy meters, air handling units, PLCs. The Modbus Master Sensor will help retrieving Modbus data on a long-range radio without using any cable. Now, let's see how you can use the Modbus Master Transmitter and what is the radio architecture. The TX Modbus allows you to read or write in 60 Modbus registers on up to 10 distinct slaves. The TX Modbus Master Transmitter can be used in low-raw proprietary mode. It means this product will communicate with an Enless Modbus receiver. The receiver can then be connected to a controller or a BMS via Modbus RTU or TCP. You can configure the Modbus Master Transmitter from the RX Modbus Receiver's configuration server. From the receiver's server, you will configure the sensors you want to pair to the receiver. You can pair any type of Enless sensor, including the Modbus Master Transmitter. For the TX Modbus configuration, you will select the number of registers you want to read on each slave. As a reminder, you can read in up to 60 registers dispatched between 1 and 10 slaves. In this example, we want to read 6 registers per slave on 3 slaves. We just need to indicate the numbers of the registers we want to read, their size, and their type. Once your configuration is okay, just power your Modbus Master device, and it will pair to the receiver and get its configuration. You can then validate from the network page that the data reception is correct before connecting the receiver to your BMS controller. From the Modbus page, you can see data from your Modbus Master Transmitter being processed in the receiver's Modbus map. As well as the Modbus receiver, the Modbus Master Transmitter embeds a web server. If you want, after pairing the product to your receiver, you can validate that the data being read by the TX Modbus is correct directly from the Modbus Master Transmitter's web interface. To sum up, the Lora Modbus Master Transmitter is an externally powered device which allows you to read or write in Modbus registers. The Modbus Master Sensor will communicate via long-range radio with the Enless Modbus receiver on the Lora Enless proprietary mode. In terms of limitations, the TX Modbus sensor allows you to read or write in up to 60 registers. Registers can either be 16 or 32 bits. You can manage up to 10 slaves simultaneously. As an example, the TX Modbus Master allows you to read 60 Modbus registers on 1 slave or 30 on 2 slaves, but it could also be 6 registers on 10 slaves. It is up to you to configure how many registers and how many slaves you would like to manage. Finally, the product is easy to set up and configure from the receiver's web server. Thanks for watching. Do not hesitate to get in touch with our sales team to learn more about our TX Modbus Master Transmitter. We will be very happy to provide you with further information.